Okay, so hey, what's up guys, this is your friend Captain here. So back with another episode of Weekly Tech Updates, and you are already watching Kiaras and Yaras, so let's get started. Starting off from the Asus ROG 5S Pro and the 5S are going to be launching in USA at the pricing of the $1,099. One of the biggest upgrade in this phone is it is having the Snapdragon 888 Plus. Links are in the iCard if you want to know more about it. There are some rumors regarding the Google Pixel 6a. It might be coming with the Tensor Lite or the Snapdragon 778G processor. And the display has been came up. It will be having the 6.2 inches OLED display. And there are rumors that it won't be having the support for the refresh rate and that all stuff. But let's see what Google wanna be making. If you want to know more about the Google Pixel 6 series, links are in the iCard, make sure to check those out. Next news is coming from the Realme. The Realme GT2 Pro, the successor of the GT1, is going to be coming with the really high Antutu benchmark scores. It is capable of more than a 1 million score, which is really good, and it would be having the latest and the greatest, or you can say the upcoming one, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, also known by the Snapdragon 898. Having the 6.5 inches AMOLED 120Hz display, which is a really nice thing. 125 watt powered adapter will be given inside the box, 5000 mAh reservoir battery, and it would be having the 50 megapixel camera sensor. We didn't know what it would be going to be having, but yeah, there are some rumors it would be having the OIS support too. So let's see. And one more thing, the pricing as per the China, it would be the base variant would be having the 46,000 and the second variant would be around 48,000. Sorry, 58,000. Next news is coming from the OnePlus 10 Pro. A complete redesigned camera layout has been seen up, and it would be having a 120Hz LTPO display, which means the refresh rate will be fluctuating from 10 Hz to 120 Hz, which technology was been seen in the iPhone 13 Pro and the Pro Max, which is a really nice thing. This will be having the 5x gyroscope support with the Hasselblad camera and the 50 megapixel camera sensor, which is also really nice. Oppo is bringing the TVs known by the Oppo K9 series. The rumors are also telling that there are 3 different TVs, so we didn't know. It will be coming in the Q1 2022. Let's see, it is really only. Speaking of which, about the Oppo Reno 7 series has been launched an app, and these phones are really awesome. Oppo Reno 7 and 7 Pro has came up in my mind, and so here is all about it. Oppo Reno 7 is came up with the 6.42 inches 90Hz AMOLED display with a 5000 mAh reservoir battery. Oppo Reno 7 Pro is having the one of the greatest upgrade in the processor, Dimensity 1200 Max 5G, and it is a huge upgrade. The camera over here is 50 megapixel triple camera setup, and on the Oppo Reno 7 you will be getting is the 64 megapixel triple camera setup, and the processor is 778G. So that was the Oppo Reno 7 series. One more thing on the top of the Oppo Reno, this is earbuds which has been launched up and known by the FreeBuds 2i, having the price point of the 6,800 from the converted Chinese price. It is shipped up that it would be launching with the 7 series in India, but the 6 series up in the iCard. One more smartphone from the Oppo Find X Pro. This phone is going to be launching by the 2022, and it is telling us that it would be having Snapdragon 845, which is kind of a old processor also. One more thing about the cameras, it would be having the 50 megapixel plus 50 megapixel plus 13 megapixel plus 12 megapixel quad camera setup, having the 32 megapixel front camera for the selfies, and it would be also having the 120 Hz. Talking about the OnePlus RT, it would be coming in the December. It is having the Snapdragon 888 8 plus 128GB storage variant, and one more thing on the top, it would be having the 16 megapixel front camera with the 50 megapixel triple camera setup. It would be coming by the December. Let's see what things gonna be coming up. OnePlus Buds Z2 is also going to be coming alongside with this OnePlus RT. It is telling us that it would be having some really great certifications, IP55 for the casing itself and the IPX4 for the buds. Let's see what we're gonna be having. One more thing of Oppo Find N. N means for the folding thing, going to be concepted by the 2022, and it is telling us it would be having the 50 megapixel dual camera setup on the rear side. Also it would be having a secondary display, and it is telling also us that this phone will be also adopting the in-display technology camera sensor. Let's see one more thing on the top. It would be also having the 120 hertz. We didn't know what are the photos of this phone, but there are some rumors coming up, so I wanted to tell you all. Lenovo is going to be launching a laptop with the Snapdragon powered processor named by the QCX Gen 3, and it will be having the Windows 11 out of the box. Honor 60 series going to be launching by the December 1st, and the design has been leaked up too. That is the image on your screen, so you might have noticed it. Fairphone 2, a very customizable smartphone, gets the Android update of the Android version 10, and this is a 6-year-old smartphone and still it is getting updates, so that's a really great thing. Nokia's 4 smartphones were being teased up, or you can say rumored, or on the internet. A complete new design has been seen up, and it would be a budgetified smartphone, telling us that it would be having the C series going to be continuated, and the X series also gonna be getting a huge upgrades. Okay, cameras currently is only at the 108 megapixel, but there are some rumors by the 2022 in the mid you're gonna be seeing 200 megapixel cameras from the Samsung and from the Motorola. Motorola is having some huge guts, and let's see what we'll be getting by the 2022. Motorola tablet G70 has been teased up and on the BIS of the India and going to be launching really soon. It is telling us that it will be having the P22T, and many rumors are also telling us that it will be a rebrand of the P11 of the Lenovo tablet. One more announcement, the Alcatel RT1 tablet has been launched up. It is having the 10,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, and it is a complete rugged tablet. And this guy is rocking by the MediaTek Helio P22 processor. So let's see what is the thing. Talking about the Redmi, or you can say the Xiaomi sub-brand, Redmi K50 series has been teamed up to coming by the 2022. The Redmi K50, the standard version, would be having the 7000 processor series of the MediaTek, and the Pro version will be having the 9000 series. So both are upcoming processor, or you can say the new and the latest processors also. Talking about the Xiaomi, their TWS has been coming up, and they are the third version, and it is the Pro, having the noise cancellation support. The converted price from the Chinese, it is 8,000 INR rupees. Let's see what we'll be seeing. Xiaomi 12 series has been going to be coming up really soon. 11 series was just awesome. The 12 series has been teasing us that it would be having a small guy, which means a smartphone which is compatible with the, I can say, iPhone 13 mini, and it would be a complete like that, known by the 12X. Let's see. And it would be rocking by the Snapdragon 870. That is also a rumor thing. And now let's talk about the complete 12 series. 12 series might be having the 12-bit display. Yeah, we have seen the up to the 10-bit display. There's gonna be a huge upgrade towards that. Apple would be adopting their very own modern designs by 2023. And if you didn't know, Apple uses Snapdragon modems till today. Yeah, fun fact. Apple's digital driving license has been delayed by the next year. It was telling us that by the iOS 15 it will be coming up, but it has been delayed. Are you a gamer and looking for a good monitor for you? I got a deal for you right now. If you didn't know, Samsung Odyssey G9 is one of the beasts out there. Has been cut off from the $1,399 to $999. That's a huge deal. Links are in the description, check it out. Soundcore Live has been launched up, headphones which are just awesome, and the 40nm drivers, and they're all huge stuffs are there. Q30 and Q35 has been launched up, and both are under 10,000. Links are in the description. Check it out, and it is only for the India. Vivo Y74s. It's a kind of a budget smartphone. We didn't know that. But I want to tell you the pricing first. 26,800 converted from the Chinese, and it might be coming in India also. Telling about the specs. 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera sensor, having the storage variant of 8 plus 256, and yeah, I can say it's overpriced, I think. If you have to talk about the tablets, Vivo is also taking participate in it. Vivo Pad. It is going to be launching in the 2022, having the Snapdragon 870. It's a really nice processor, and it is also having some really high refresh rate and OLED display. Vivo Y32 has been teased up on the 10M markings, and it is quite similar to the Y32s. Yeah. Infinix InBook X1 is going to be launching in India, has been teased up on Flipkart also. So if you want to notify yourself, check it out. It will be coming up with the i3 processor, i5 processor, and the i7 processor. A complete i lineup of the Intel, not the i9. We're gonna keep it aside. It's a flagship processor from the Intel, and it will be having some really spicy things going on. Let's see when it comes. So that's all for today. Hopefully you like this video, share it among your friends, and if you are new to the channel, then the pressing the bell icon gonna be delicious for you, and you won't be regretting it. And don't push me in the comments that where is DRS. Make sure to like our each and every video, because it takes a tons of times and efforts. And for the deals, we have some awesome deals going on as per the Black Friday things and that all stuff. Check those out also. By the way, Captain Diaz signing off. I will catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected. Peace out.